Well, I think it goes without saying that one of my delights is to come out into the shipping yard here on our nursery and look at all the wagons packed with beautiful plants that are going out to garden centres right across the northeast and mid-Atlantic states. Now, over the years I've seen some really spectacular plants, but sedums and stonecrops have become very popular in recent years, and this particular one, I have to say, is one of the best dark purple leaf forms I've ever seen. This is Sedum Dark Magic, and when you look at this glossy, shiny, succulent foliage, look at the depth of color that it has, the red stems, and then if you can imagine in another couple of weeks these flowering spikes, which are what these things are here, will open up to have like sprigs of broccoli that are a deep pink colored flower. Now these flowers, of course, are very attractive to pollinators and butterflies. So not only do you have something that has really attractive foliage, but you also have a flowering perennial that will bring in butterflies, and because it's a stone crop, it'll be easy to look after too. Just grow it in a sunny, well-drained spot. You could put it in a bed or a border, or even why not grow some of these in containers. Raised and introduced by Terra Nova Nurseries, this is Sedum Dark Magic.